Hi, I'm Dave Casel. I'm the Road Brand Manager here at Felt Bicycles. We're going to discuss our new 2011 lineup. The Felt F-Series is intended to be our high-performance race bike. The agile geometry, aggressive position, stiffness to weight, and performance of these bicycles is really well suited to the racer or high-performance rider. The Felt F-Series features incredible stiffness to weight. The ultra-stiff bottom bracket allows you maximal power transfer when pedaling, out of the saddle efforts, or any acceleration. That stiffness in the head tube and torsional stiffness allows incredible handling. Very, very nimble, very quick, responsive handling from handlebar input. With new carbon technologies and molding techniques, our dynamic monocoque construction allows us to build the bikes with optimal wall thickness differentials between the high stress areas and the low stress areas. And the blend of carbon fibers with the UHC Ultimate plus nano resin material allows us to maximize the strength, stiffness, and again achieve that ultimate stiffness to weight ratio. The Felt F-Series is our most storied line of road bicycles. We started building Felt F-Series in 1991, and getting racers on board our Felt bikes and getting their feedback has been instrumental in the development of the bike. Whether it's geometry, dialing in the right ride quality, the right stiffness, the teams, the athletes that help support our engineering department in creating the perfect ride are a really key component. The F-Series has carried our athletes to the top step of the podium, and it can carry you also.
Hi, I'm Jeff Socek, Director of R&D for Felt Bicycles, and what I have before me is the brand new Felt F1. 3 years in the making, this really has empowered us to make a bicycle that is not only equal in ride quality to our old bike, but also surpasses it as far as lighter weight and stiffness. Basically, everything about the new bike comes down to form follows function. Everything on the bike has a purpose, and everything is based upon performance and making the ultimate race bike. So with the F1, it's really easy to get excited because you can throw as much technology as you want at it. Again, it's the top of the line bike, and it's meant to have every single thing done to it for optimum performance. But what's really cool about it is how you can take these different technologies and trickle them down. For example, on the F3, 4, and 5, it uses all the same tubing shapes that the F1 does. It uses the inside-out technology at the head tube. It uses a control taper, BB30. So a lot of these same technologies that are applied to the F1 trickle down to the rest of the line, making all of our bikes fantastic.
The Felt F-Series has perhaps the most storied pedigree of all of our product line. The F-Series has been used to win Olympic gold medals, Pro Tour stage wins, Pro Tour Classic wins. The F-Series bike is no stranger to the top step of the podium. For 2011, the F-Series is going to incorporate all of the technologies, all of the engineering triumphs we've had, whether it be the wind tunnel development with the shaping and the advancement of the fork shapes on the new F-Series, whether it's the new dynamic molding process with our DMC construction on the F-Series, or the bladder technology with our inside-out bladders. The F-Series line has a new geometry this year, so riders under 5 foot all the way up well north of 6'6" will have a bike to achieve their cycling goals. So for 2011, the F-Series is more than just the $12,000 UHC Ultimate plus Nano dynamic monocoque constructed F1. It's an entire line of bicycles. So even the F75 will feature that same aerodynamically bladed fork, taper control steer tube, BB30 compliant shell, and all the new revised geometry and tube shapes. So it's a complete line from top to bottom. The 2011 F-Series will incorporate new carbon technology, new carbon molding techniques, control taper steering technologies, as well as BB30 compliant bottom bracket shells. We also have an innovative new Di2 compatible as well as a mechanical convertible cable routing system. The 2011 F-Series lineup features the most number of models of any of our lines. Starting at the F1, this is the dynamic monocoque constructed UHC Ultimate plus Nano carbon fiber frame set. It has a flagship Dura-Ace Di2 component group, Mavix Exotic Cosmic Carbon Ultimate wheel set. It carries a very low 6 kilogram or about 13-pound weight. The 2011 F2 will also feature our DMC construction. It also has the inside-out technology, control taper steer tube and head tube, BB30 compatible shell with the FSA ceramic bottom bracket and crankset. Shimano Dura-Ace Di2 system and carbon RS80 wheel sets round out the package. The 2011 F3 will feature our modular monocoque technology. It incorporates all the same BB30, control taper, and inside-out technologies that our F1 and 2 frame have, but in a different frame mold and different frame platform. The F3 will feature a SRAM Red component group, including their all-new SRAM wheels. The 2011 F4 features our modular monocoque technology. This frame incorporates the same features as the rest of our carbon lineup. This will be equipped with our Ultegra component group and Mavic Cerium Elite wheels. The 2011 F5 features our MMC frame. This is the same frame as our F3 and F4. It's equipped with Shimano's 105 component group and FSA's Gossamer Pro BB30 crankset. The 2011 F75 is an all-new frame, both in geometry and frame shape. The Ultralight 7005 series frame features smooth welding, all-new tube shapes, control taper steer tube, BB30 bottom bracket and crankset. The 105 component group rounds out the package. For 2011, the F85 makes its return to the F-Series lineup. The 7000 series smooth welded frame, 105 drivetrain, operated by microshift shifters. This 20-speed drivetrain adds all new value price point to the Felt lineup. The F95 will also feature a new frame geometry, and new frame material. The F-Lite 6061 aluminum frame and carbon fork is equipped with a 9-speed Tiagra drivetrain. The F24, our 7000 series aluminum frame with a carbon fiber fork, is the perfect bike for that young rider looking to make a start in road racing.